Welcome back to the channel Stock Market News. Beat the index. Today we'll speak about the ETF to invest in organizations with high income orientation. These stocks will provide you unstoppable dividends. The first one is the Alerian MLP ETF, which puts resources into what are normally known as Master Limited Partnerships, or MLPs. These are unique stocks that work with a favorable tax structure of the capital-intensive nature of their organizations, which normally incorporate energy storage and transportation. Top property of AMLP incorporate Energy Transfer LP and Plains All-American Pipeline LP, so-called midstream energy stocks since they neither drill new wells for energy or market completed items. Dividend yield is 10.2%, expenses are 0.87%. Secondly, the Amplify High Income ETF is a fund including 30 other speculation reserves. That clearly adds an extra layer to charges, which is essential for the explanation the costs are so high. If you are searching for a solitary holding to deal with a wide cluster of high-yield investments so you don't need to, YI will be worth to look. Researching closed-end funds is no simple errand, yet YI does the legwork for you to propose a high-yield opportunities it hopes to get along admirably. The dividend yield is 9.6%, but expense rate is 2.17%. The third investment is Vanguard Emerging Markets Government Bond. On the off chance that you'd prefer not to depend on striving U.S. partnerships, it offers a good option in the high-yield bond marketplace. This fund targets sovereign debt of emerging market economies. That truly intends that while there is a proportion of assurance here, as all state-run administrations have a strong income-producing instrument in the capacity to increment charges, there is more gamble and unpredictability than you'd see in laid-out Western economies. The SEC yield is 3.5%, but expenses are only 0.25%. The last one is Worldwide X U.S. Favored ETF, which gives a basic one-stop shop for you to add a layer of preferreds to your property. The portfolio is one-sided toward capital-intensive sectors that need to constantly raise money, for example, utility stocks with high ongoing maintenance costs or financials that need abundant resources to finance worldwide loaning and speculation activities of their own. Notwithstanding, with almost 300 preferred stock holdings across famous firms like NextEra Energy and Bank of America, SEC yield is 5.1%, the expenses rate is 0.23%. Investors are often looking for great opportunities to increase their holdings in a fast way. If you'd like to know how to get dividends weekly, you'll see previous video on our YouTube channel.